Despite a raging COVID wave and uptick in the number of deaths, Israel's Corona cabinet decided against delaying the start of the school year. Some officials had pushed to postpone the start date by a week or even a month until after the Jewish holiday season. But parents and the government are eager to avoid distance learning and give children a semblance of normal life. The key to making that happen? Over the next 10 days, Israel is conducting a large-scale serological survey of 1.2 million school children aged 3 to 12, undertaken by the Home from Command at 400 locations across the country.
Well, they think that about 20% of kids have been already exposed to the virus. That means they have some kind of immune response to the virus, and when they are exposed, they will be able to fight it off. But it is important to know who these kids are.
Schools will also provide vaccinations for children over 12, subject to parental approval. This had been a contentious element of the plan, but the education minister remained dubious that schools will be ready to implement the Green Pass system by the start of September. The over 30,000 teachers and school staff who have not been vaccinated will abide by the Health Pass measures, providing negative COVID test results to enter campus. New COVID cases in Israel continue to exceed 5,000 per day, and with the number of severe cases approaching 700, hospital administrators are threatening they will not be able to accept any more COVID patients.
We are not the ones who are about to collapse. Our suppliers collapsed. Our employees, whose salaries are at risk, after a crazy year and a half, we have to look at them in the eye and ask ourselves whether we are going to get the money to pay their salaries. But above everything else, we look at our patients. We should not be ashamed. It's the state that should be ashamed for not following through on the agreement.
With a jump in the positive test rate to 6.3% and a rise in the number of COVID deaths, over 350 in August so far compared to just 8 2 months ago, Israel can only hope to see the impact of a broadened booster campaign as quickly as possible.